Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to mute Discord. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. Let me just go ahead and turn myself up just a little bit more. All right, so first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do, besides just going ahead and muting yourself in Discord, if that's not the case, if you still want to hear your friends, do not worry. So what you'd go ahead and do is actually you just turn down your desktop audio, and then you're going to want to find the specific thing that it is that you want to capture. So I would just go ahead and add an application audio capture. And then let's say it was RimWorld that I wanted to record. I would go ahead and find RimWorld here, right there. And then now, whatever sound comes out of RimWorld, my OBS will pick up when I start recording, but it won't pick up anything else. So that way I could talk to my friends in Discord or still hear what they have going on while I do my recording, so on and so forth. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.